So you just finished an epic barbecue, but now your grill looks like it survived a zombie apocalypse? Don't panic. Today, I'll show you the ultimate cleaning hack that will save your grill and your sanity. First, heat your grill for just a few minutes. Think of it as preheating your oven, but this time, it's for cleaning. The heat loosens up all that sticky barbecue goodness. Now here comes the fun part. Grab half a lemon or onion, stick a fork in it, and scrub that grill like you're on a mission. The natural acids break down grease, and bonus, it smells way better than chemicals. Still got stubborn bits? No problem. Just crumble up some aluminum foil into a ball and use it like a brush. Cheap, easy, and weirdly satisfying. Finally, lightly oil your grill grates to keep them shiny and rust-free. It's like giving your BBQ a spa day, because happy grills mean happy meals. And that's it! The ultimate barbecue cleaning hack. Simple, natural, and effective. Now, go enjoy your clean grill, because the next steak is already waiting.